I want to share a quick cooking tip with you. One of the worst places to store your spices for cooking is next to or directly above your stove, like in these little cupboards here. I've seen a lot of people do that because it's convenient, but even though it's convenient, it is actually going to damage your spices. So every time you heat anything using the stovetop or oven, it's going to change the temperature of the spices and it's going to break down those chemicals and essential oils, impacting the taste and fragrance of those spices. But if you're doing something that creates a lot of steam, it's also going to impact the structure of the spices. And you're going to see a lot of times that those spice containers are basically just all clumped together and really hard to use. And this is because there's a lot of change in humidity, creating moisture in those containers. So when you go to store your spices next, I would recommend, especially if you live in somewhere where the temperature fluctuates a lot or humidity fluctuates, store your spices in a glass, airtight container in the fridge, because spices do better over a longer period of time if they're stored in cold, dark places.